Ditch the messy whiteboards, because today, we're turning project chaos into crystal clear clarity using Monday.com's powerful Gantt chart feature. First, make sure you have a board set up with your project tasks listed now. Look for the Add View option, usually located near the top left of your board. Click it. A menu will pop up. Scroll down or search for Gantt and select the Gantt chart view. This instantly transforms your task list into a visual timeline. To define your project schedule, click on a task within the Gantt chart. You'll need to set a start date and an end date. Using the date pickers, this determines the task's duration on the chart. You can also adjust the duration directly on the chart. Simply click and drag the edges of the taskbar to visually extend or shorten the time frame. To link tasks and create dependencies, hover over a taskbar until you see a small circle appear on either end. Click and drag from one task circle to another to create a dependency arrow. Now, if the first task shifts, the dependent task will automatically adjust. Monday.com lets you customize your Gantt chart for better visualization. Use color coding to differentiate tasks by status, assignee, or priority. You can also filter the chart to focus on specific team members or project phases. To highlight the critical path, the sequence of tasks that directly impacts your project completion date, enable the critical path option in the chart settings. It visually emphasizes the most important tasks. Easily share your Gantt chart with stakeholders by inviting them to your board or exporting the chart as an image or PDF for presentations. And that's it. You're now equipped to effectively manage your projects using Monday.com's Gantt chart, ensuring you stay on schedule and achieve your goals. Happy planning!